Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat mga kailyan. Nandito po ako ngayon para kantahin sa inyo ang aking own composition para sa mga frontliners. Simulan ko na po mga kailyan. I remember the day before it starts. I remember the smile on your faces. But then it broke my heart. As soon as this darkness is spreading, well, I understand the fear that you feel. I understand how you miss your children. Well, although you don't see them till today, I know when you know that you will someday. Your sacrifice has saved our lives. I will always remember this day. Your sacrifice has saved our life. You are the heroes of today. There are some who disobey what you say. There are some who says trash about you. May not know or remember your name. Don't you worry, we will pray for you. Your sacrifice has saved our lives. I will always remember this day. Your sacrifice has saved our life. I will always remember this day. Although some may not appreciate you, although some may not remember what you did, well, don't you worry, I'll try my best to make this song reach their heart. Your sacrifice has saved our life. I will always remember this day. Your sacrifice has saved our life. You are the heroes of today. Your sacrifice has saved our life. I will always remember this day. Your sacrifice has saved our lives. I will remember this day. And you are the heroes of of today. Thank you.